Alhamdulillah, thankfully for Allah, I've been involved for about five to or six digital transformations across the globe, and I will gonna share during the coming few minutes my experience and my positive and negative feedback about what have been done there. First of all, as a telco operator or leader for the digital transformation project, I need to answer a few questions. The first question is, why do I need to do a digital transformation? The second question is, who who is my partner or the vendor who will gonna implement the solution or run the transformation? My execution team is a very important part, and at the end is the solution itself. So here those four questions must be answered clearly, loudly. Then after answering these four questions, why do I need this, my partner, my execution team, and the solution itself, we need to answer the fifth question, which is should have its own bracket on the side, my time frame and budget. Answering these five questions will gonna increase my success chance to 70 or 80%. No one can guarantee 100% success rate on the digital transformations from my experience and what I have witnessed through all the projects I have witnessed. So as of today, as I said, we have a dilemma and we have a very challenging question. The main question is, should we go with the big vendor that he has no ready solution, or let's continue and I have a question, or let's take the risk and partnership with a small vendor or a small partner to do our transformation. Honestly, my recommendation that no one can answer this question for you. However, I will gonna say from my experience what will gonna happen. The big partners or the big vendors, as I said in my previous sessions, they don't have a ready solution, and they don't have an answer for most of the questions. However, the small vendors and the small service solution providers, they do have some solutions. However, they lack what we say. They lack the dependability and the strength in the market and the experience in the market. From this, we Noor saying something. Thank you. From all of this, we can say that we can take the risk with small vendors, because going with the big vendors, yes, it is secured somehow, but it will gonna cost us a lot of time and a lot of investment financially and technically to crystallize everything, to crystallize the requirements, the vision, the project scope, everything. So this is regarding the solution. The team, the implementation team, guys, is the most important aspect in any digital transformation or any telco projects. From my experience, I have come across many projects, and the execution team and the leadership, from my experience, was the main factor for the success or the failure of the project. After that, we can answer the rest of the question, and you can say that your project can succeed or fail from answering the rest of the questions. As I said, your partner, your your solution, your execution team, and why do you need to do a digital transformation, and the budgetary question. I will try to make today short and easy. From my experience, I have came through some mistakes I have seen during my experience. Uh, I will share it with you, and I wish that we can learn from this and avoid it in the other implementations of the other projects. For example, in South Africa, we had a big implementation there for a digital transportation, and the project didn't succeed at the end. And unfortunately, the main reason for the project failure, uh, I'm sorry to say, it was an internal issue that inside the operator himself, we had no clear understanding and clear agreement why do we need a digital transformation, where we want to go, uh, the business vision, and the ownership. So lacking all of this led the project to fail, and to fail after even finishing all the technical phases. The project at that time, it was in the FUT phase. So this was pure clinical failure inside, because it, we had I have seen there the clear um, conflict of interest between different teams and different parts of the organization, and between the global team and the group and the internal OPCO team. So the project failed. So you must have the buy-in from all the key players of your project. Another bad experience I have seen in Mexico. In Mexico, we had a very successful launch for digital transformation end to end, and the customers were happy, and the service was running very efficient. However, they have ignored two very important negative factors we have seen from the analytics, and what we have seen, what we are observing from the customer experience there. The first one, and the very important one, that we have discovered that the ratio between the number of users who are downloading the applications, and the number of the mobile app, and the number of users who are subscribing in the service itself, from the eligible users, we are talking about 1 to 4 or 1 to 3 in the best case scenarios. So we have a deficit and a loss of 75% of the eligible subscribers, eligible customers that are coming to us, and they are not continuing, they are not subscribing, we are losing them. And unfortunately, at this moment, and this experience, business and the owners of the project, they didn't study this. It was a very critical symptom. They ignored it, and it was one of the very critical and bad indicators for the experience. The other thing that also I have seen in this operator and in other operators in the Middle East here also as well, is the network reliability. After launching the digital experience and the stack itself, we were observing a lot of technical issues during to the lack of stability and of reliability of the integration points between the digital platform and the network, the legacy network, and this caused a lot of bad experience and negative customer feedback, and it was impacting the new digital platform itself, because as I said in my previous sessions, the network reliability is one of the most important aspects in your digital transformations. Um, Another third issue, I will gonna share it, and it will be my last part, that a group of a group of telecom operators in Europe, they had invested a lot of couple of hundreds of millions of dollars in a digital transformation project with one of the large vendors and large solution providers, and the project actually stuck until today. This is because of the information I have said also in my previous live, that the big operators, sorry, the big vendors, they don't have a ready solution to go with and to do a digital transformation, which led to a total failure, and right now they are struggling, they don't know where to go. I will not gonna make it longer than this. I think it is okay to end our session with this experience, and I would like to hear your feedbacks and comment. And sorry for today live, it's my first time on YouTube, and also I want your feedback about using YouTube or turn back to Facebook. Thank you very much, and I will receive your comments or questions, and we can discuss it online on Facebook and YouTube, or we can have another live session to discuss it. Thank you very much, and goodbye.